1/4 inch 6 mm 70 yards off black flat elastic band, braided stretch strap cord roll for sewing and crafting DU mask. Braided elastic band made from durable and premium quality woven polyester fabric and polypropylene fiber rubber. Durable and sturdy, breathable, machine-washable, colorfast and consistent color. Contains rubber and absolutely no ironing. Great for waistbands, shoelaces, belts, hair ties, necklines, shorts, skirts, sleeves, leggings, swimwear, headbands, laces, wig bands, journal loop ties, masks, hats, bags, or jewelry making. Strong stretchy cord for sewing fitted sheets, crib covers, or sofa slip covers. Easy to work with. Heat-fusible with minimal fraying. Shrink resistant. Almost odorless. Long-lasting stretchiness. Stretch to 80% to 100%. Perfect for sewing. This braided-width elastic is soft, comfortable and perfect for face masks and countless sewing deals. Comfortable. Our braided elastic band is the perfect width and has the perfect amount of elasticity for face masks. 100% satisfaction. If for any reason you are unhappy with any product by us, please do not hesitate to contact us. We take full ownership and responsibility for the quality of our products, and we'll do our very best to solve your problem quickly and efficiently. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.